Today we're talking about the direct variation, a function in the form of y equals kx, where k is not equal to 0 is a direct variation. The constant of variation, k, is the coefficient of x, right here. The variables x and y are said to vary directly with each other. So is the equation a direct variation? If it is, find the constant of variation. So to find out if this equation is a direct variation, we have to solve for y. In other words, we need to write this equation in the form of y equals kx. If we have to solve for y, that means we need y by itself. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. 2y equals negative 5x. Divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2. Y equals negative 5 over 2x. This right here is a direct variation. So yes, this equation is a direct variation. If we need to find the constant of variation, the constant of variation is k. What is the constant of variation here? Negative 5 over 2. Is 5x plus 2y equal to 9 a direct variation? If it is, find the constant of variation. So we have to solve for y. So in other words, we have to write it as y equals kx. To solve for y, we need to subtract 5x from both sides. So 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 9. And we have to divide by 2. What we do to one side, we do to the other. Y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 9 over 2. Is this a direct variation? No. Because this is not a direct variation, there is no constant of variation. Write an equation of the direct variation that includes the point 4, negative 3. We know that the ordered pair is x, y. If we have to write an equation of the direct variation, that means we have to write this. Do we have y and do we have x? Okay, so if we substitute y with negative 3 equal to k times 4, can we solve for x, for k? Yes. That means we have to divide by 4 on both sides. So negative 3 over 4 is equal to k. Now that we have k, or the constant of variation, we can write our equation of the direct variation as y equals negative 3 over 4x. Use the ratio y over x to tell whether the y varies directly with x. If it does, write an equation for the direct variation. So let's look at the table. If we have x negative 3, y 2.25. If we use the ratio 2.25 over negative 3, we get that it equals to negative 0.75. Negative 0.75 over 1 is equal to negative 0.75. Negative 3 over 4 is equal to negative 0.75. And negative 4.5 over 6 is equal to negative 0.75. Because the ratio of y to x is constant, all at negative 0.75, we can say that yes, this is a direct variation. And we can write the equation of the direct variation as y equal to negative 0.75x. Tell whether the y varies directly with x by using the ratio y over x. If it does, write an equation of the direct variation. So if we do negative 1 over 2, we get negative 0.5. If we do 1 over 4, we get 0.25. Right here, I already know that it does not vary directly. If I do 3 over 6, I get 0.5. And if I do 4.5 over 9, I get 0.5. It does not vary directly, so no, it does not vary directly, and you cannot write an equation of the direct variation.